Yes, good morning, 7th class. From last 2 days, we are doing the chapter one word substitution. What is the name of the chapter? It is one word substitution. So, today it's your turn to give all the answers. I think you all have learned them. I have given you the PDF also. You have learned them well. So today we will solve the exercise and you will give me the answer. Okay? First let us see. There are some on the top that we have not done. Let us do them first. See on the top on 52 number. What is written? Scientific study of the life and structure of all living things. Scientific study of the life and the structure of all living things. It is biology. Then, not clear enough to see through or allow light through. Then it is opaque. It is opaque. And then it is 54. Clear enough to see through or allow light through. Then it is transparent. It is transparent. And now it is 55 number, connected with a town or a city. Then it is urban. It is urban. Okay. Now it's your turn to give the answers. I think you all are ready. Okay. Let us see. An orphan is a child whose parents are dash. An orphan is a child whose parents are, dead. Right. An orphan is a child whose parents are dead. The handwriting that is difficult to dash is illegible. Which handwriting was illegible? That cannot be read. Difficult to read. So what is the answer? It is read. The handwriting that is difficult to read is illegible. Now come on third number. The patient has become dash. He gets annoyed easily. Who is a person that gets annoyed easily? Yes, speak. Yeah, it is irritable. It is irritable. 4 number. An honorary post is that for which no dash is paid. We have done it. Yeah. No salary is paid. An honorary post is that for which no salary is paid. Okay. The substance is dash in water. Not soluble. What was the word? It is insoluble. It is insoluble. 6th number. Death is dash. Nobody can accept it. Death is dash. Nobody can escape it. Then it is inevitable. Inevitable. She is very dash. She is pleased to welcome guests. Who is that? Hospitable. Hospitable. Number 8. I was sitting at a great distance, so the speaker's voice was inaudible to me. Inaudible means not able to listen. Number 9. I requested the salesman to give me a dash of books he was selling. And it is catalog. It is catalog. Some people think that rural life is not so good as dash life. What is the opposite of rural? It is urban. URBN, urban. A dash is a person who does not drink alcohol. A dash is a person who does not drink alcohol and he is teetotaler. Teetotaler. She is an dash. She is always sure of her success. So what is the answer? She is an optimist. She is an optimist. She is always sure of her success. The food is not enough for him. He is a dash. He is a glutton. He is a glutton. A glutton is a person who eats too much, who is keep on eating, and that is called glutton. Now see, dash is the crime of killing a baby. Dash is the crime of killing a baby, and that is infanticide. Infanticide is the crime of killing a baby. A person who does not eat dash or fish is called vegetarian. Who is that? Does not eat meat. Meat or fish is called a vegetarian. Okay. Now do exercise number 28, 128. Let us do it. See what is this? It is match the column. The sentence is given and the one word is given. So we have to match them with the right answer. And you all have done the sentences. You can do them very easily. It's very easy. Let us start. A man whose wife is dead. A man whose wife is dead. So what is the right answer? It is F. Widower. WIDOWER. Now see second. One who can neither read nor write. One who can neither read nor write. And who is that person? It is I part. Illiterate. 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 Now see, it is third number. One who goes on foot. One who goes on foot. And he is pedestrian. Pedestrian. See, it is J part. J is the right answer. PEDESTRATRIAN. Pedestrian. Now see, it is number 4. Clear enough to see through. Clear enough to see through. Then it is opaque. Opaque. OPAQE. Opaque. See the next number. A woman whose husband is dead. A woman whose husband is dead and she is widow. 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 Now see, it is sixth number. One who is liked by many. One who is liked by many. And that is answer is popular. The answer is popular. Now see, it is 7 number. Not clear enough to see through. Not clear enough to see through. And that is transparent. Transparent. And what is the answer? It is transparent. Now it is number 8. A child whose parents are dead. A child whose parents are dead. And the child is called orphan. ORPHAN. It is the which part? It is C part. Then 9 number. Impossible to forget or remove. Impossible to forget or remove. And what is the answer? It is B part. Indelible. Indelible. And the last one, that is easy to carry. That is easy to carry. Which one is left? It is portable. It is portable. Okay. I think it is clear to you everyone. We have done the exercise and I shall give you the PDF also, the one word substitution, and on the basis of that exercise you all will fill the blank and you all will do the match of column. It's bye for today. Bye students.